Hola, Benito. Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo está? All right. Welcome back. We're just got out of the water from the surf session early in the morning here. It's nice. It's gorgeous. Big rainstorm last night. It's kind of nice. Everything's nice and green all around us. Just making up some brekkie, and then we're gonna get on with the day. We only got a couple more days here, and then we go. So we're just whipping up some breakfast. We had a great fishing trip last night. We got some barracuda, some mackerel. So we're just eating some more of that for breakfast here and get on with the day. Yeah, breakfast is ready. Hola, Benito. Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo está? Barracuda, rice, eggs, fresh pineapple, and an apple that we still somehow had from bringing it from back home. Let's dig in. We're making a little run up to the store. We gotta go up to the San Antonio. A few minutes up the road this way to the store. I need some things hardware wise, and we're gonna grab some more fruit and vegetables and some snackety snacks and just go for a little drive with Scotty. So, see what's happening out there. Let's go for a ride. And yeah.
No, wait. Where are you going?
You can go that way.
Go.
Oh. Hey, buddy. Oh.
Go check out my buddy.
See, I want to come up here and fish. Can you get snapper and shit out of here?
These guys, you can, but I've never caught a snapper here. These guys are fishing for the Lisa, the mullet,
Oh, yeah.
and crabs. So, fish right
I thought there
there.
was one there flopping on the ground.
Yeah.
I don't have the keys to the house. No, I hope they didn't fall out on the ground.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, casi es. Thanks
Él
so
lleva
much.
los 4 pesos.
Oh, thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Man,
That's always why taxing.
I told her last night. Babe, here, you might want to eat this before this melts.
Oh.
Yeah. We'll catch a quick little ride for sunset here. I don't have the energy to battle big waves. Earlier whooped my ass. Hey, what?
Is that our Grom?
Mm-hmm.
Not expecting that to be that solid.
Yeah, right? Yeah. They can withstand a lot.
Holy
Yeah, it's like a hardwood. Crazy. Mm. Yeah. So there's just going to be a bit of a drift. We'll just go out and play around. Well, looks like we're getting a bit of a rain. You can see the rain farther up the coast. I didn't think we were supposed to get any rain tonight, but anything can happen down here. And I mean, a tropical rain is very welcome. Doing a bunch of transplanting and stuff. My banana trees are popping. So I don't mind having the rain and just putting some more stuff into my gardens. So it's nice that way. And it's still November, so we're just coming out of rainy season. Another couple months it's going to be really hot and there's going to be no water around for months. Take what we can get. Right to the beach, right to the beach. Those are the little fun ones we like. Oh yeah, you got that shoulder right there on you. Beautiful. Go. Yes. Well, no sunset tonight. No sunset, kind of cloudy. Looks like that rainstorm's over us now. Alright, it's time to call it a night. It's dark, can't see shit. She's gonna get hammered. Bam! We're gonna call it a day, make something to eat and go to bed, because I am beat. And I got a lot of work to do tomorrow. We got a couple days left to go before we head back. So, Great day. Another gorgeous day on the Emerald Coast, but it's time to call it quits. Fucking workout. Yeah.